హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మీ రాజేష్ దంతుల. ఈరోజు మనం ఎక్సైజ్ 5.2 రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫోర్త్ వన్, విచ్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఏపీ 3, 8, 13, 18 అండ్ సో ఆన్ ఈజ్ 78. సో సొల్యూషన్, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ a ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3, d ఈక్వల్స్ టు a2 minus a1, సో 8 minus 3 that equals to 5. సో విచ్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ 78 అన్నారు. nth టర్మ్ an ఈక్వల్స్ టు 78. సో an మీన్స్ a ప్లస్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ d ఈక్వల్స్ టు 78. సో ఏ వాటమా 3 ప్లస్ n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ d ఈక్వల్స్ టు 5 దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 78. n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ 5 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 78 plus 3 transposing RHS minus 3. So n minus 1 into 5 equals to 75. n minus 1 equals to 75 by 5. 5 ones, 5 15s. n minus 1 equals to 15. n equals to 15 plus 1. n equal to 16. Therefore 16th term is 78. Therefore 16th term is 78. Fifth one, find the number of terms in each of the following AP. First one 7, 13, 19 and so on. 205. 205 is the last term amma. So first one, write the given arithmetic progression 7, 13, 19 and so on. 205. So a equals to 7, d equals to a2 minus a1, that equals to 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 what amma? 6. So an equals to 205. So an means a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d equals 205. A is 7 plus n minus 1 into d value 6 equals to 205. So n minus 1 into 6 equals to 205 plus 7 transposing RHS minus 7. So n minus 1 into 6 equals to 198. So n minus 1 equals to 198 by 6. 6 ones, 6 3s 18, 6 3s 18. n minus 1 equals to 33. n equals to 33 plus 1. So n equals to 34. So 34th term. Therefore 34 terms are there. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Therefore 34 terms are there in given progression. Are there in given AP. Given AP. Right. Second one. So చూడమ్మా 18 comma 15 and half comma 13 comma so on minus 47. So a equal to 18, d equals to a2 minus a1. So 15 and half minus 18. So 15 and half means 2 15s 30 plus 1 31 by 2 minus 18. So LCM 2 31 minus 2 18s what amma 36. So minus 5 by 2. D equals to minus 5 by 2. an equals to minus 47. an means a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 47. a what amma 18 plus n minus 1 into d. d what amma minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 47. n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 47 plus 18 transposing RHS minus 18. So n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 65. Minus 47 minus 18 minus 65. n minus 1 equals to minus 65 into minus 5 by 2 transposing RHS minus 2 by 5. 5 ones, 5 13s. n minus 1 equals to minus into minus plus 13 2s are 26, n equals to 26 minus 1 transposing RHS plus 1, so n equals to 27. Therefore 27 terms are there in given AP. Next, sixth problem. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. Okay, ikkada first term a equals to 11, d equals to a2 minus a1, so 8 minus 11, that equals to minus 3. So an equals to minus 150. So an means a plus n minus 1 into d equals to minus 150. A value what amma? 11 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 equals to minus 150. n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 150 plus 11 transposing RHS minus 11. n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 161. n minus 1 equals to minus 161 by minus 3. Okay, n minus 1 equals to 161 by 1 by 3. Minus minus cancel. So n equals to 161 by 3 minus 1 transposing RHS plus 1. n equal to LCM 3 amma 161 plus 3 ones 3. So n equals to 164 by 3. Okay, this is the rational number amma. P by Q form lo undi. Minus 150 is not a term. Of the given list of numbers. Okay, seventh one. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So 11th term is 38. Solution. 11th term A11 equals to 38, A16 equals to 73. A11 means A plus 10D, A plus 10D equals to 38. A16 means A plus 15D equal to 73. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. 2 minus 1. A plus 15D equals to 73. A plus 10D equals to 38. Okay, minus, so change the symbols. A minus A cancel. 15D minus 10D 5D. 13 minus 8 5. 6 minus 3 3. So D equals to 35 by 5. D equals to 5 7. So 7 amma. Substitute D value in equation 1. D value in equation 1. So A plus 10 into D 7 amma equals to 38. A plus 10 7s 70 equals to 38. A equals to 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70 what amma? Minus 32. A value minus 32. So now find the 31st term. A31 equals to A plus 30D. So A equals to minus 32 plus 30 into D what? 7 amma. So minus 32 plus 3 7s 21. So 210 amma. 210 minus 32. 10 minus 2 8. Okay, 10 minus 3 7. 178. So A31 is the 178. Eighth problem. An AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. 29th term ఏంటనేది అడుగుతున్నారు. ఇక్కడ థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి. థర్డ్ టర్మ్ a3 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 12 అమ్మ. a3 మీన్స్ a plus 2d. a plus 2d వాట్ అమ్మ 12. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ మీన్స్ nth టర్మ్ అమ్మ. nth టర్మ్ ఈజ్ a plus n minus 1 into d. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ వచ్చేసి a plus n minus 1 into d. a plus n minus 1 into d వాట్ అమ్మ 106. So clearly mentioned that 50 terms are there. So a plus 50 minus 1 into d equals to 106. So a plus 49d equals to 106. Equation number 2. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి 2 minus 1 చేద్దాం. Do 2 minus 1. ఓకే, a plus 49d equals to 106. a plus 2d equals to 12. మైనస్ చేద్దాం. a క్యాన్సిల్. 49d minus 2d 47d. 6 minus 2 4, 10 minus 1 9. So d equals to 94 by 47. 47 ones, 47 twos. d equals to 2. Substitute d value in equation 1. In equation 1 we have, so a plus 2 into d, 2 into 2 equals to 12. a plus 4 equals to 12. a equals to 12 minus 4 amma. 12 minus 4 what? 8. So a value 8, d value 2. Find the 29th term. a 29 equals to a plus 28d. a what amma? 8 plus 28 into d 2 amma. a plus 28 2s 56. 56 plus 8. 56 plus 8 what amma? 64. So 29th term is 64. Ninth question. If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8, which term of AP is 0 అని ఇచ్చారు. చూడండి, క్లియర్గా మెన్షన్ చేశారు. థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఇన్ AP. థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ AP వాట్ అమ్మ 4. థర్డ్ టర్మ్ మీన్స్ a plus 2d. a plus 2d equals to 4. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ ninth term of AP what amma? minus 8. a plus 8d equals to minus 8. Equation number 2. Do 2 minus 1. a plus 8d equals to minus 8. a plus 2d equals to 4. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి సింబల్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. a minus a క్యాన్సిల్. 8d minus 2d 6d. minus 8 minus 4 minus 12. d equals to minus 12 by 6. d equals to minus 12 by 6 minus 2. d value minus 2. ఓకే, substitute d value in equation 1 we have. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి. a plus 2 into d. d is what amma? minus 2 equals to 4. a plus into minus minus 2 2s 4 equals to 4. a equals to 4 plus 4. So a equal to 8. a equal to 8. Asked which term of AP is 0. So nth term Tn equal to 0. So Tn means a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. a what amma? 8 plus n minus 1 into d. d is minus 2 equal to 0. n minus 1 into minus 2 equals to plus 8 transposing RHS minus 8. N minus 1 equals to minus 8 by minus 2, that equals to 4. N equals to 4 plus 1, 5. So therefore fifth term of given AP is 0. Okay. Next 10th question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Solution. So let the 10th term to be x. Let the 10th term to be x. Then 17th term of an AP equals to x plus 7. So 7 exceeds and 7 extra undata. So 10th term x kada. So a10 equals to x. So a plus 9d equals to x. Equation number 1. Next to a17 equals to x plus 7. So a17 means a plus 16d equals to x plus 7. Equation number 2. Do 2 minus 1. Okay. A plus 16d equals to x plus 7. A plus 9d equals to x. Minus చేద్దాం. A cancel. 16d minus 9d 7d. So x plus 7 minus x cancel. 7d equals to 7. D equals to 7 by 7. D equals to 1. Here asked find the common difference. Therefore common difference is 1. Common difference is 1. 11th one. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 so on will be 132 more than its 54th term అన్నాడు. Okay. So first one write the given AP. Okay. 3, 15, 27, 39, so on. Given arithmetic progression. Given AP. Okay. So A equals to 3. D equals to 15 minus 3, 12. Okay. 54th term amma. A54. A54 what amma? A plus 53D. So A what? 3 plus 53 into D 12. 3 plus 12 3 is 36. 12 5 60 plus 3 63. So A54 639. 636 plus 3 639. Here asked which term will be 132 more than its 54th term. So nth term is more than 54th term. Okay. So nth term an equals to A54 plus 132. So an means a plus n minus 1 into d equals to A54 639 plus 132. So a what amma? A equals to 3 plus n minus 1 d is 12 equals to 639 plus 132. 9 plus 2 11. 771. N minus 1 into 12 equals to 771 minus 3. N minus 1 into 12 equals to 768. So n minus 1 equals to 768 by 12. Okay. 12 ones, 12 6 are 72. 12 4s 48. So n minus 1 equals to 64. N equals to 64 plus 1. N equals to 65. Therefore 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Okay, answer is 65th term. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. నా వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ మిత్రులకు షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.